Mapitin ko may purpose lahat ng bagay. Bakit nagka-cancer? May purpose. Ngayon, alam ko ng bakit purpose. Pwede siya maging blessing eh. Sabi mo, Dok, anong pinagsasabi mo, cancer, blessing? Pwede maging blessing. Naayos ang pamilya, naging super close sa anak, sa mga kapatid, sa mga pamangkin. Yung ganitong napakabilis na pag-bonding ng relationship namin, forgiveness, love, compassion, hindi makukuha lahat yan kundi ako nagkasama.
All this pain from negative thoughts, negative emotion, from all the hurt, from all the bashing I got from the 2022 vice presidential campaign. I got so many bashing. What did I do to you? Why do you hate me so? If you pray for me, I think I will get well. My relatives do not want me to make this video, but I said I owe it to the Filipino people to be honest to them. I owe it. Mahal na 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 mahal ko kayo po lahat. Hindi nyo naiintindihan kado ko kayo kamahal. Bawat takbo ko para po sa inyo, hindi para sa akin. Unang campaign ko, wala akong gastos kahit na pangalawa, wala akong gastos, wala akong niloko, wala akong inaway. Anong ginawa niyo? Binas na ako ng binas. Sumaba sobrang loob ko. Filipinos should be more caring, more honest. That's why we have all these hardships. Filipinos love and cherish each other. Pray to the Blessed Virgin Mary. Pray to Padre Pio. Pray to the Lord Jesus Christ. My whole body is tingling right now, Doc Lisa. Ito, ang kapal-kapal. It's like a spirit came here, all over here. I thought I had high blood pressure. Natatakot ako.